Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to show you guys one of the Colourpop's like kind of build your own palettes that they have already. This one was already set up. This was the Thrill of It palette, and this was the one with all glitters. Show you guys what it looks like here. As you can see, I made a mess of mine already, but I definitely have some thoughts, opinions, and all that. Great deal. It's $20. You get all these. They're bigger than their normal size palettes, which I'm going to show you guys. So you guys can kind of see how this is like a full-size shadow. You do get the palette. They do come individually done. You kind of lay them in how you want when you get it. But I absolutely love the formula. The only one that is kind of weird, was it this one? Yeah, just this white one right here. That's kind of chunky and, yeah, I don't know. It's pretty, but definitely be prepared. It's gonna make a mess. That's one thing I will say. If you're going to use these, I absolutely love these. You guys know I love glitter. I absolutely love it. Look at my hand now. Like I touched my soul. Just kidding. But I absolutely love glitter. I will say if you want to use these though, finger, flat brush, spray, wet, whatever. However, definitely do your eye makeup before doing your face makeup. You will definitely have fallout with this. But I think the formula is great on this. They're beautiful. They're so pigmented. This pink, you do not need much for this pink. You will get a nice, deep pink glitter. Super, super pretty. Some of them are more chunkier. Like this one is more chunky where the rest are more finely milled. This one is kind of chunky, but it does lay down a bit better than this white one. But definitely recommend this. I think it's worth it. $20. You get a bunch of glitters. If you love glitters, I think you'll love this. You also get a deal by buying it that way. And I really loved their glitter formulas. It's been in their palettes lately, so I wanted to try out more of their glitters because I just think they're honestly great. But yeah, that was my review on that. I definitely recommend getting that if you're a big glitter girl. I think you'll absolutely love it. Like I said, just do your eyes before your face, but honestly, I think you guys will be so pleased with it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. My cat's trying to figure out, what am I doing? Yeah, see, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna get glitter all over her. She's sick of it. Oh, look how pretty she is. Oh, if you don't want to subscribe because you like me, you can subscribe because she's beautiful. And look how messy the vanity is over there. Oh, she's sick of it. She's sick of it. Alright, that's enough now. She's done. That means I have to be done because she wants my attention. Alright, bye guys. Have a good one.